Hello, friends. How are you today? Good? I'm great. Thank you. Today, we're going to learn all about me or all about you. There are many different people in the world, many different, and each one of them is unique. Yes, you are unique, I am unique, and we are unique. And there is some information we can give to people when we're talking about ourselves. Let's see some of them, okay? And that's Rick again. We already know a lot of things about Rick, right? But there's more things that we can find out, like more favorite things that he likes, the things that he likes the most. We know about his food, favorite color, favorite toy. Now let's get more information about Rick. And then you can give more information about yourself as well. Whoa, we can ask him, what's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? What he likes to drink the most. What is that? Looks like a lemon juice. My favorite drink is lemonade. That's Rick's favorite drink. His favorite drink is lemonade. So he says, my favorite drink is lemonade. What about Kathy? What's your favorite drink? You can repeat. What's your favorite drink? I love that too. What is that? My favorite drink is coconut water. My favorite drink is coconut water. Very well. Good choice, Kathy. Now let's find out something else about Rick. What's your favorite sport? I want to know what's his favorite sport. What is the sport he likes the most? There are many sports right there. What is that? Do you know? That's American football. My favorite sport is American football. My favorite sport is American football. That's what Rick likes the most. Now let's find out about Kathy. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What sport is that? Good job. My favorite sport is roller skating. My favorite sport is roller skating. Now you ask me. My drink. Good job. And you said, what's your favorite drink? And I'm going to answer you. What's that? Very well. My favorite drink is tea. I love tea. And you ask me, what's my favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? Say it again. Good. My favorite sport is that one. What sport is that? Do you know? My favorite sport is karate. Do you like karate? Now I'm going to ask you, okay? And you answer. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? Good job. That sounds good. And you said this way, right? My favorite drink is... Great job. Now I'm going to ask you something else. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? You say, my favorite sport is... Very well, that's a nice sport. Now let's take a look at this dialogue, okay? Take a look at the girl's answer. So she's saying, my favorite drink is coffee. And she's also saying, my favorite sport is basketball. Which questions do we need to make to get those answers? I have two questions here. What's your favorite sport? And what's your favorite drink? The first answer is, my favorite drink is coffee. She's saying that. My favorite drink is coffee. Which question you should make to get that answer? What's your favorite sport or what's your favorite drink? Very well. What's your favorite drink? Now, when you say, my favorite sport is basketball, what do you ask? What's your favorite sport? Very good. So now you know very well. So now you know how to talk a little bit more about yourself and how to ask a few more questions about other people to get to know them better. And I hope you have enjoyed, and I see you next class. Bye-bye.